Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to the book launch and dedication to the nation of the 7th edition of Tips on Retina Practice. And we have with us today the venerable and venerated Dr. Namrata Sharma. Professor Namrata Sharma is the unit head at Cornea, Cataract and Refractive Surgery Services at RP Center, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, having completed her fellowship from the Moorfields Eye Hospital in London. She is also the Honorary General Secretary of the All India Ophthalmology Society. She's been the Secretary of DOS 2 times over. She is the General Secretary of the Eye Bank Association of India, the Vice President of the Corneal Society of India, the Vice President of the National Society for Prevention of Blindness. She's the Regional Secretary of the Asia Pacific Academy of Ophthalmology. She holds 2 patents. She's the Brand Ambassador. She's the Research Committee member for Asia Pacific Academy of Ophthalmology. She has been the recipient of many international awards, including Asia Pacific region, one among the top 100 ophthalmologists, one of the most influential women ophthalmologists in the world, Senior Achievement Award from the American Academy of Ophthalmology, the International Ophthalmology Education Award from the American Academy, the Asia Pacific Academy Leadership Award, the Achievement Award from Asia Pacific Academy. She has 582 publications in international peer-reviewed journals. And ma'am, we found 3 more on preprint server, so I think it's going to be 585. She has authored 17 books, several instruction courses, principal investigator at many multicentric trials. There is no hat in Indian ophthalmology, and there is no seat in Indian ophthalmology that she has not graced. Thank you so much, ma'am, for accepting our invitation to launch this book, Tips on Retina Practice. Ma'am, with your permission, I would like to start a screen share of this book, which, with your permission, ma'am?
Yes, sure, Jatin.
Ma'am, if you could dedicate this book to the nation by pressing the button. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 7th edition of Tips on Retina Practice is out on the stands today. Available to jump to another page directly. access the electronic index, use the magnifier at the bottom of the page.
Ma'am, we are thankful to you for having accepted our invitation. And
Thank you so much, Dr. Jatinder Bali and Dr. Sanjay Ahuja for having
Thank
me
you.
here today. It is my pleasure to be here today, and also it gives me immense pleasure to inaugurate this book. This book is on the practical tips and tricks in retina practice, and the best part about this is that it has tips and tricks which are actually not given in any standard textbooks, and it comes out of experience. I have seen some of the tips and the tricks which Dr. Sanjay posts in the various WhatsApp groups, which are actually very practical things, which no books can teach you. But if somebody out of experience has formulated those, then it is a great service. Like it is said that sometimes you read, 3,000 pages of a book, and yet you will not know the real tip or the trick when somebody doesn't tell you, what is right or what is wrong or how to go about it or what are the problems or how to solve them. So many congratulations to you both on this, and I'm sure it is going to be grand success and would be very useful for the young ophthalmologists and for the budding retina surgeons who wish to get into retina and who want to hone their skills in retina. So thank you very much for having me once again.
Thank
we are
you, Dr.
really
Namrata, so much. Really.
we are really thankful to you, ma'am, because sir, actually, ma'am is not in Delhi. She is in Bombay,
He's really
and
okay, great.
and I always wonder how many hours she has in her day. Ma'am, how do you manage this?
Thank you so much for having me here.
Great. चलो
मैम मैम आप
Thank you.
लाइक वो एक होता ना कि 7 जन्मों का, वो 7 जन्मों की अचीवमेंट्स तो आपने इसी जन्म में कर दी। बाकी 6 में क्या करना है? but really thankful to you, ma'am. मतलब even with such a packed schedule, you have
For the time.
given
I'm
us
sure
time. We're really honored, ma'am.
Jati, I'm sure it is going to be a huge success because I know that the points and the tips that Dr. Sanjay Ahuja writes in the various WhatsApp groups, and they're really practical things. And I'm
Have
sure
you
they're
read some
going
of
to
them?
get.
Are you reading
Yeah,
some
yeah.
of them occasionally? Acha, that's great.
Most-
Have you found any one tip useful in your practice, in your cornea practice?
Like, I
Okay.
have read most of them, so I know that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Great. My pleasure. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Jati. Thank you.
Right, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good night, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Okay, जी. Thank you. बढ़िया.